Well, Prince Muir, he had three sons, he did, and they were the only ones they were. The first was a parrot, the second was Weena, the third was the damnedest that ever was seen, and they all came out of the old canteen singing la 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 la. The apparent son, he got on a bun, he did, he stayed up nights and spent all his fun, he did, in semi-diameter,